come east, come east, come east, come east, come east.
One dito behind you.
Inside the bridge, inside the bridge, inside the bridge, inside the bridge, inside the bridge. Yo, east side on me, ready, east side on me, ready, okay? Wait.
I-pinch na kayo buong northwest mo, naka-dismount na.
Northwest, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northwest now, catch him mountain!
Yun! Cleric.
Push him northwest. Play around the bridge only, play around the bridge. Come northwest on the bridge, brawl northwest. Come northwest. Hold the bridge, come northwest, keep going west. Potion now.
Nice, good to see you.
Inside the bridge, northwest. Southeast in the bridge. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, southeast in the bridge. Walang damage pa rin, pre. Guys, southeast in the bridge. Come southeast. We need to play. Ditang on the southeast. Come southeast. Ganago lang tayo dito, pre. Hindi tayo makakait.
Break ko.
Hindi ka sunod sa akin, pre.
Wala sa
Find my crown, guys. On my crown. 5, 4, 3. Everything in my crown. Hit my crown. Wala pa rin? Gago, wala talaga.
Wala talaga.
Guys, 100.
Umamatay na yung pinito mo.
The clap comp is gonna fail when we cannot even clap.
Kumatay na si 1K.
Clap comp is gonna fail if we cannot kill, guys. That's our only chance. We catch them mounted. Wala pa ring damage. Walang defensive yun, ha. Nakamount sila. Kita niyo yung pre, wala.
Kita ko.
Ang dami ng pre kung napatay natin yung tapos na. Pwede mag-walk in.